If you deleted a blog from your website or any page that was previously ranking and was visible on Google, you need to delete it. I know you deleted it from your page, but you need to delete it from Google search as well. Because if people search something and your website comes up, your blog post, they click on it and it goes to page not found, this is gonna hurt your SEO and rank. So you have to tell Google, I deleted this page, this blog post, please remove it. And how you do that, it's super easy and simple. So let's go. I'm gonna show you everything. Find the URL for the blog post that you deleted, and it should say, sorry, page not found. Copy the URL, go to Google Search Console /remove outdated content. And then if you're a verified site owner, you can click here and it's gonna take you exactly where you need to go. Select the property, which is your website, and then new request. You paste the URL of the deleted blog post and don't forget to remove only this URL. Submit request, and that's that. Your blog post is going to be removed from Google search. If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you. And I'll see you next time.